Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and everyone needs to have an emergency kit in your home. This is the emergency kit from Rescue Guard.
What I love about this emergency kit is that it has so many different things. So it has the food and the water, and the shelf life is for 5 years, so it's nice I don't have to worry about replacing it. This is for 4 people, and for 4 people you can last 3 days. It has the first aid bag. It has 2 of them actually to keep you safe.
It comes in this backpack, which is nice. So if you have to carry it, it's easy to get away and move with. Because of all the food and water, it does make it heavy to carry, but at least it's all in one spot. It's all put together.
Besides that, it has things like ponchos and the flashlights, and I even use a lot of these things in my camping gear or my hiking gear. I love that they include things like duct tape and even playing cards, because when things get tough, you still need a little bit of a break, and I love that they include the playing cards.
When it comes to an emergency, you always want to be prepared, and that's why I'm really excited to have this emergency kit. It has everything that I could possibly want and need. It's in a backpack, so I can carry it when I leave. I look at it and I know what is in here is going to help me survive. This is not something that I ever want to have to use, but I know when there's an emergency, this is coming with me, and it really does put me at a peace of mind knowing that when emergency comes, we're gonna be okay. And that's my point of view.